Okay, guys, so welcome back to another part of the video. So in this part of the video, I'll be showing you how to navigate the new CAC accredited agent dashboard. So as you can see, so this is the new interface. So just like before, we have the public search, the reserve name section, post incorporation. Then we have pre-incorporation and post incorporation. So I'm going to click on login now. So once I click on login now, so it's going to show our login details. It's going to bring us to where to log in with our details. We can log in with the username, email, phone number, or the accredited number. So if you are an accredited agent, so in this case, I'll be logging in with just my username. So once we log in with the username, then CAC is going to send us an OTP to the email link to the account. So then we are going to copy the OTP, then you enter it. So let me quickly do that. So as you can see, so we quickly pause the video, log into my email to copy out the OTP, then paste here. So as you can see, here is the OTP sent by CAC. So I'm just gonna copy it, then paste it. So which is 828586. 828586. So I'm gonna come here. So I'm going to type it here. 828586. So then I'm going to log in. So it's going to log me in. So okay, so as you can see here, so here is our new dashboard. So if you are using your smartphones, so this is how it's going to bring it. So if you are using a laptop, the interface is going to look a little bit different because if I click on the top left corner on this three hamburger icon, so it's going to show you what we can do. We have the name reservation section, we have the name acquiring consent section, then we have the registration consent, then we have the post incorporation section. So because before CAC had a separate portal for the pre incorporation and another portal for the post incorporation portal, but now they are brought together on one single account. So we can access both the pre and post incorporation portal on a single account. So the first I'm going to be showing you, so let me click on this hamburger. So I'm going to be showing you this section. So we have the name reservation section, we have the not submitted. So if you haven't submitted any name, so the name you applied, sorry, the name you are trying to submit that you have not yet made payment for. So we have the pending application, which shows the name you have applied for. Then we have the queried application. Then we have the approval application. So which means the name that has been approved for reservation. Then once the name is been approved, so we are going to be seeing all the name here. We have the name reservation, so we have the AV, we have the classification, we have the dates created, expiry date, status, and the order. So okay, so let's proceed. Then we have, I'll click on this hamburger, then we can go to name requiring consent. So once you click on this name requiring consent, these are where you can do registration for uh IT, which is incorporated trustee, or a company limited by guarantee, or you want to do any kind of registration that require you seeking consent from CAC. So you simply click on apply for consent. So as you can see, so once you click on apply for consent, then you choose the reason for the consent. So you select this type of business. So if it is incorporated trustee, so you select it. Then reason for concept. So we have the name, incorporation, change of business name or company. So then group of group holding or consortium, then use of restricted word. So simply select the reason for your consent. So that is how that works. Then we have the registration. So this registration is where you are going to be seeing the registration you've started, the one that is pending, the one that is queried, and the one that has been approved. So I'm going to be showing you once we have a job here to show you how it works. Then we have the post inc. We have the post incorporation section as well. So as you can see, so here is the post incorporation section. So by simply typing in the name of the company, the email address of the company, the phone number, or the name of the company, or the RC number, or the BN number, so you can really get the information here. So having said that, so let me go back to our pre-incorporation. As you can see, so we have the pre-incorporation, we have the post-incorporation. So you simply click here. So that is simply how to navigate through it. Uh so I'm going to be showing you in the next part of the video how to do name reservation quickly on the new portal.